It rained so much. It rained and it was cold. I've got to show you what I just saw out the window. I knew it. Look at this. The snow. Yay. Beautiful. Roxy's like, why are you out there? Okay, I'm coming back. I'm coming back, baby girl. I just wanted to show them the snow. There's snow up there too. Wow. Such a nice walk. Look at the trees. The river definitely has gone up higher. Remember how I could just walk across no problem? Now we got a problem. We'll go down to the river. I'm afraid you might get washed away. You don't walk so gracefully. Was that delicious? Ready to go home? Yeah, let's go. Because there's clouds coming. Huh. Yeah, I don't blame you guys. They just went in about a half an hour ago. Storm is rolling in. Can you see how much it rained? Look at that. So pretty now. We have a little bit of a window open before the next one hits. So I always try to get some steps in. Woo, chilly. Oh, that wind is cold. All right, you guys probably can't hear me. Oh, that sun feels good. Ooh. See the little waterfalls? I wonder if that big old boulder is gonna fall. I gotta hurry before that cloud covers up the sun. Yeah, the river definitely went up higher. See the little waterfalls? There you go. Good girl. Are you lost? You running around in circles? Roxy! What is going on in that little head of yours? Another circle? Good Lord. This is the last of the storm, but it's coming in hard. Oh no! I hope Maddie's stuff doesn't go flying. Oh man, look at that. It's crazy. It's coming in hard. Wow. Oh, thank God we weren't out there walking. I just brought my awning in. It's never hit this hard, but this is the very tail end of it. We're okay. Man, that river is rushing. All right, let's go back inside. It's nice and warm.